Good Friday, everybody. It's the end of the week, the end of our third week, second full week home, but our third week overall. It is April 3rd. Let's just get started. Today, I just want to do something really quick. I want to show you guys, I posted a lot of different videos. Most of my videos, all but one, most of my videos have gone up onto a YouTube page. So if you guys go to YouTube, I put the link in Schoology and Google Classroom, but you can go to YouTube and just click on, search my name, I should say, and it'll pop up. See behind me today, I have, just like yesterday, I have my globe, earth signs, my scientist Tigger. Tigger's in a lab coat. If you guys remember, I had that in my classroom earlier in the year. And then my Buffalo Bills mug, which is pretty cool, shaped like a helmet. All I want to do this morning is show you guys a little bit of stuff with the weather. I saw this earlier this morning on today's show with Al Roker, giving a weather update. And what he did is he showed a pretty interesting, I think, graphic showing you how the Gulf of Mexico, as you see here, has gotten pretty warm. Reds usually mean really warm. So you see how dark red some of these areas are. And this is the Gulf of Mexico near Florida and Texas, and Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and then Mexico, obviously. And you'll notice how warm it gets over the last month, over March. The Gulf of Mexico warmed 10 degrees. That's a lot. That's a lot in that short amount of time. What does this mean? It probably means there's going to be stronger thunderstorms throughout the spring, late spring, even in the early summer. Now, what does that mean if there's stronger thunderstorms besides, lightning and rain? It means potential for stronger tornadoes or more tornadoes. Definitely, it could mean a stronger tornadic season, more tornadic activity, more potential for strong storms that are more strong than the normal thunderstorms that we get here in Buffalo. The other thing it could do is nice, warm, empty air mass water, maritime, tropical air masses. They tend to be great breeding grounds for hurricanes. Now, hurricanes don't start in the Gulf of Mexico, but if it's warm here, it's probably really warm farther to the southeast, and maybe if a hurricane finds itself in this area, it might increase. So that leads me to the next thing. The first update or projections have started for hurricane season. As you'll see, this is where it says Colorado State. That's for this year. That's what they're projecting this year. They're projecting 16 total named hurricanes, storms, I should say. 8 are hurricanes, and 4 are 3 or higher, which is more than last year and the average that we should get. So that doesn't mean anything. That's just a projection, but that's an update on hurricanes we talked about right before we went on this little break. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a good weekend.